about ready to start. But before we begin, here's a word of warning for those of you seated in the first few rows. There's a chance that you might get wet. If you'd rather not be splashed, now's the time to move to higher and drier ground. Thank you.
This is our Dolphin family. Now, all of the Dolphins were born at SeaWorld or one of our sister parks, and their care, health, and well-being is the foundation of everything that we do. And through our training techniques, we build strong, positive relationships with all of our animals. And this allows us to share these unique connections with all of you. And learning from these animals has created an opportunity unlike any other. It allows you to experience them up close. So do you guys want to have some fun and meet our Dolphin stars? I love the enthusiasm. Well, first up is Tiger. Now, Tiger is our youngest dolphin. He's only 16 years old, but let me tell you, he has a lot of energy. He has some of the highest jumps here at the stadium. So if you look in the center of our pool, ladies and gentlemen, this is Tiger. Another one of our high-flying dolphins is Phil. Now, Phil is on the other side of the pool waving hello to you right now. Phil has a lot of energy. He always gives 110%, and his nickname is the quarterback. Showing off his vertical spin, ladies and gentlemen, this is Phil. Now, this segment of the show is one of my favorites because we can take the opportunity to show you some new behaviors that we've been teaching the animals. Now, this is a behavior called the surf ride. Ashley is on the end of our pool right now. She's interacting with Marble, and she's going to show you what she's been teaching Marble right now. What our goal will be is to implement that behavior into another part of our show that's coming up soon. But that is brand new for Marble and Ashley, and I am so excited to see that. That was beautiful. All right. last but certainly not least is Bubba. Now, Bubba is a playful, inventive dolphin, and one thing that he loves to do is play with toys. Now, he's saying hello to you right now. Billie Jean has a toy. Now, this is a way that we can build our relationship with the animals and just have fun. You know what? A part of our day could be interacting in a show environment, teaching them something new, or just playing with them and building our relationship. You see, when we spend these quiet moments with the animals, we learn how different they are from each other. And let me tell you, what motivates Phil is not the same thing that motivates Bubba. And we use these tools in the training process when we're teaching them new things and interacting with them. Thanks, Billie Jean and Bubba. As you can see, all of our dolphins are very different from each other. Getting to know them is a big part of what we do each and every day. And now, you know them a little bit better too. Once again, these are some of our dolphin stars. All of our dolphins are very special to our entire SeaWorld family. You know, as kids, many of us visited SeaWorld. We sat in the same seats that you are sitting in, and we were inspired to one day work and play with dolphins. Well, right now we'd like to take a few moments and share a little bit of what our dolphin days are like with all of you.
up really high up the sky. Do you want to see? Yeah? Do you want to show her? Yeah? Okay, you're going to help me out with this one, right? What we're going to do, yeah? You want to help? Yeah? Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to put our hand out like this, and on the count of 3, we're going to wave it back and forth, okay? 1, 2, and 3. And watch us use that thumb to power himself around the pool. Beautiful! Great job, Tiger! Very nice, buddy! Well, Kathleen, you have been a wonderful junior trainer here at Dolphin Days, and Tiger would love to say goodbye to you, Dolphin style. But we're going to need everyone's help for this one. Can you guys help us out? Yeah? All right. So what we're going to do is we're actually move you over here, and then what the rest of us are going to do is we're going to, on the count of 3, give Tiger a big kiss goodbye, okay? 1, 2, and 3. Let's hear it for Kathleen and Tiger!
Haley, it looks like you guys are having a lot of fun down there. Now, Haley talked about adaptations like fins and flippers on dolphins. But another amazing adaptation is feathers. And here to show off his beautiful feathers is our macabre Ronald. Hey, buddy, nice to see you this morning. You know, Ronald's feathers help keep him warm, and of course they help him fly. And adaptations like fins and feathers help animals survive in their environment. However, it cannot protect them against the dangers of pollution, and that's where we can all help out. Recycle, join a beach or a park cleanup, and always remember that the little things can make a big difference. Isn't that right, buddy? Okay, I'll see you later. The memories we make as a child can inspire a lifelong fascination with the ocean and a love for all of its real, amazing animals. And creating experiences that matter is what SeaWorld is all about. After all, when we care for our world, we celebrate life. So let's make each day a celebration.